Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I bring to you guys an unboxing, a swatch, and a review of the Cara Beauty palette. And it looks like this. Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I believe it's called Dreams, and it looks like this. And yes, I got this at Marshall's, so actually my husband bought it for me because I thought it was pretty. So thank you, baby. Okay. Okay, so this is just like the protection sleeve. They don't test on animals. Let's see if it focuses right there. The colors look very pretty in the sleeve. So now the eyeshadow palette. This is the back. And of course it has paraben free, cruelty free, and then it has the 12 months here. You guys already know that the 12M means that once you open the product, you have 12 months to use it. After that, you have to toss it away or not use it at all. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, it has a mirror. So this eyeshadow palette does have a mirror in here, and it's actually pretty huge. It's like this whole thing here. I don't know how to show you guys, but I'll try and do that. Do you guys see the size of that mirror? It's huge. I'm gonna try and put the sleeve in through here. So the shades are really pretty, you guys. And there's lots of them in here. So these are all the shades. So there are 36 eyeshadows in this palette. Some seem to have like glitter. The other ones seem to be more neutral, warm tones, and then kind of darker tones. So I'm going to try and do a swatch on my hand. And there's 30, what? I said 36 of them. So just bear with me. So I'm going to go in this order for the swatching. So I'm going to start with Rituals, Hyped, Bisque, Dreams, Rish, Astral, Dimension, Joshua Tree, Heirloom, Clay, You Gotta Go Girl. Oh no, You Go Girl. It's You Go Girl, not You Gotta Go Girl. Hold on. Rewind. Clay, You Go Girl, Flawless, Soft, Queen Bee, Time Machine, Cafecito. No está muy pan dulce. 100 Degrees, Sunrise, Floral Void, Girl Talk, Element, Palm Springs, Late Night, Stargazing, First Love, Strobe Light, Gossip, Hydra, Smirk, Purple Haze, Fizzy Drink, Wink, Suntan, Cheeky, Pomade, Jet Lag. There you go. So these are the first 12 colors, you guys. These are the next 12, guys. These are really pretty. They look like lipstick shades. I'm going to go in with the last 12, starting in this order. These are the next 12. So the last 12 from the palette. So far with the swatching right now, some of the colors do match when I swatch exactly as they look in the palette. Others don't show up, and others are less intense as they are shown in the palette. So, and also some of these are very pigmented, so I know they're gonna stain my eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do an eye look with this eyeshadow palette, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I'm looking at the mirror and I like that it has a protection film. This is so cool, guys. I'm taking it off now, but that is cool. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna try and set it up here in front of you guys so you guys can kind of look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Watch what I'm doing. That sounds so bad. You guys can get an idea of the eyeshadows. I go in with Cafecito, which is this kind of brown. Ooh, that's a lot of fallout. No. Fallout is normal, guys, in eyeshadows, but some of them have a lot more fallout than others, and that's where I'm kind of like, ooh. So, let's see. I'm applying this on my outer corner. I'm applying this on my crease line. Estoy haciendo esos windshield wiper moves. No sé, a veces me da por hablar español, so perdón si no me entienden. I just said that I'm sorry. Sometimes I just want to speak Spanish, and I'm sorry if you don't understand me. So in my channel, you guys will sometimes hear me speak Spanglish, and it's because no soy de aquí ni de allá. I'm not from here nor from there. I am American, but I am also Mexican, so I'm Mexican American, and I love it. And with First Love, which is like this pink kind of tone, using that same brush, focusing in the outer corner and dragging it in. Going in with Jet Lag, focusing. The colors are showing up really good. Okay guys, final look. What do you guys think? So, my rating, let's begin with that. My rating out of 10, I would give this palette quite honestly a 9. I really like the colors. The colors are really pretty and they transfer over to the eyelids very pretty. Especially like they blend so well into each other. Also, I'm scoring it this high because the shades that I used actually look exactly how they look in the palette. Sometimes when you do that and you transfer it over, it's like doesn't match or whatnot. But I really like how this whole eyeshadow was very, not to say buttery, but it was very soft. When I was applying it, I was able to add more on top of what I already had because I wanted to build it up more. It blended very well, and I like how like it just feels. I like that this eyeshadow palette has a little bit of everything. A little bit of neutrals, a little bit of more in between, a little bit glitter, a little some with no glitter, some with a pinch of glitter, others that are more vibrant, more darker. Like the looks are endless with this palette. It reminds me of the Morphe palettes. I also like that it has a big mirror, like a big mirror in here. I really like it when palettes have their actual mirror in here, and especially that it was protected, because sometimes when they put them in the stores and the shelves they get cracked or whatnot. This one was protected and I really like it. It has some colors that remind me of like the James Charles palette, and then the pink right here, the First Love, reminds me of the Jeffree Star, the Morphe palette that they had. It does stain also a little bit, but I like that because if it stains, it means the pigment is there. So cons. The only con I see with this is that some of these eyeshadows do have a lot more fallout than others. So my only con is that some of these eyeshadows do have a lot of more So my only con is that some of these eyeshadows have more fallout than they should, or more fallout than they compared to other eyeshadow palettes. Again, fallout is normal, but this one had a lot, especially like the one I used, the cafecito one. I was like, no, not the cafecito. Oh. But yeah, it had all fallout. It's still pretty though, and it has a little bit of glitter in it, so I like it. And some of these you can even use it like highlighter, like heirloom. I'm gonna go ahead and can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. I'm gonna try Dimension on this side. Oh, I want to see something else. 1 second. I'm gonna get Floral Void. And I'm gonna see if it's like good for blush. Get a brush. Okay, so this palette, I like it even more because some of these eyeshadows, you can literally use it for highlighter and you can use it for blush. So this palette definitely takes a 10 out of 10. That changed my whole rating. I can literally use some of these as highlighters and as blush. Yep, okay, that's my final review, my final thought. I give it a 10 out of 10. Cara Beauty, you did a good job with this palette. I really like the colors. I really like the colors. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring more videos like this to you guys. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. I hope you guys really have a good night, evening, morning, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.